Hi everyone, how are you all? My name is Sri. Today I would like to solve one course for Python question, and the name of the question is find count of most frequent item in an array. Here the input array is taken and it consists of the integers, and we need to print the most frequent number in the array. That means here -1 is the most frequent and it occurs 5 times. So we need to print 5, that is the maximum count. Okay, if the empty array is given, we should return 0. Okay, we are going to solve according to the problem statement. The code is, see, I am checking if the array is empty or not. How we can check? We can check by using length statement. Here array is in Python list, right? So by using length statement we are checking. See, length of collection is equal to 0. If the collection is equal to 0, we should return 0. Else we are taking one empty list. After that we are iterating each element in the collection. We are appending. We are appending the count of each element by using count function. See, count of I, and we are printing the maximum of A. That means maximum means here it contains count elements, right? So we are printing its maximum and we are returning it. Okay, let's test. See, all test cases are passed and we are submitting it. See, 104 all test cases are passed, nothing is failed. I hope you understand my logic. If you have any doubts, please do